So hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. Today I'll be sharing what you can do with rice water, how you should make the rice water and what are the benefits of rice water. So today in this whole video I'll be showing you the 2 or 3 things of rice and rice water benefits. So let's get started. So here I've taken a pot full of water and I'm boiling it. Let it boil for 10 minutes, and when you see the bubbles, I'll show you how I make open pan rice. So here the water is boiling and I have already washed this rice 2 or 3 times. Now I'll be pouring it in here and we'll let it boil for 10 minutes. And we don't need overcooked rice, we just need cooked like 80 to 90%. So it's 10 minutes and I have boiled the rice well and it is 90% cooked. So now we need to take a strainer and now I'll be draining all this rice water. So the water is all drained and only some droplets of water is falling. Now I'll transfer this boiled rice in the pan. This rice water which we got, I'll be telling you all the uses of rice water and how healthy it is. So now I'm going to let the water cool down and I'm going to show you all its uses. So here's the rice water which I had stored, and you have to keep this rice water for 2 days in a dark place. So here's the water which I had told you to keep it in the dark for 2 days, and it is almost 2 days, and this water is so beneficial. When you go to shower, when you go for a head shower, you just need to mix this well. It doesn't smell or anything, it is having a good smell still, and I like it. It still has the rice water smell. So this water you just need to dip it and spray it all over. Just take it with your hands, you can rub it as you're doing a massage. So this water is very beneficial. You can wash your hairs with this and it will be so good for your hair and a natural shine will come. And then you can shower it off and wash it off with a mild shampoo. So this is half a spoon of rice flour. So I'm going to add 1 drop of aloe vera. Yeah, I've added 1 drop. So now I'm going to add a drop of vitamin E oil. Yeah, 2 drops fell off. Now I'm adding a drop of glycerin too. Yeah. Now I'm adding a drop of almond oil. Yeah. So now I'll just mix this all in the rice water which I had done. I'm mixing it very well over here. So here I've mixed it so well. So I'll just take and start applying. You all know my procedure, how I apply. Just keep applying in an upward motion. Never put your hands down because the skin might sag. Put it all over your face. It's so cooling and nice. And I'm feeling warm because the rice water was very warm. So now I've applied it so nicely. I can already feel my skin becoming tighter and firmer. This is a very good facial which you can do every day actually. It will clean out your pores and close all your pores. It is so good, and you'll really feel the tightening of your skin. Your muscles of your face will become tightened. There is aloe vera in it, there's almond oil, there's so much of glycerin, and overall it has cooked rice water, and rice water is so beneficial, it makes your skin go plump. This is tapping, and tapping increases the blood flow. And then just massage for 5 minutes. So I've massaged it well, I've tapped it well, I have stroked my face so well. I'll just wash it and come and show you all friends. So here is the rice water. You can wash it with the rice water. Your face again. I'm washing. I'm removing all this with the rice water. Just don't throw the water. The water is so beneficial. Now I'm just washing it with my plain water. Let the water not be hot. Just wash it thoroughly and cleanly. So here I have washed my face. I think my lip balm also went off, but that's okay. So here I have washed my face. As I told you, it makes your face go plump. I can see that my face is already glowing for my own self. I'm feeling so good and nice. So here it is, before and after, and you can make out with rice water. I just wanted to show you how you can get rice water, and it has all the starch. It is so good, and I'm already finishing my evening routine, and I'm ready to go to bed. And now my face is all washed, cleaned, and this one. So I'll just put some almond oil and massage my face, and I'll just go to bed. So here I'm just ready to go to bed, and I thought I would end it here, but I thought I would just show you how I do the almond oil massage. So here I just take the fresh drops of almond, and this is the almond oil which I've used. I think I've showed you so many times, and here's the oil if you can see. So just do tap, tap, tap. Just massage, put it on your arms. I'm feeling so good, so relaxing, and it's so nice. It's such a good relaxation. And when you're ready to sleep, you can just take little more of almond oil, and just, I've shown this technique also before. Just rub near your eyelids. You'll get a very good sleep, and a sound sleep will come. You'll have sweet dreams, and it's such a good way to relax. Just you need to rub near your eyelids. This is the way to massage your eyes. And then you're having oil, and just massage all over your neck and your face and your forehead. Always go in the upper strokes. So good and fresh I'm feeling. So friends, I hope you like this rice water remedy and rice flour facial. If you have liked it, please like it, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. Love you all.